We want to explore how our lifestyle has changed over the past 60 years and what type of impact it has had on our health as a nation. The great news is that much of the decline in our health is due to poor choices we make. So that gives us a great opportunity to improve our choices and our health. Does living longer really matter if we are sicker, fatter, and more dependent on drugs and others to care for us? We have become a 24/7 society, trying to shove more into our days. More work, driving, computer, leaving us less time for exercise, family, cooking healthy meals, less time for sleep. Increase in air pollution increases exposure to environmental toxins. There are increased toxins in our food, water, and soil. Prescription drugs pass into our sewage system and often aren't filtered out from our drinking water. The present generation faces the largest burden from oxidative stress this planet has ever known. There is a gap in our protection because our foods have become significantly depleted in their content of antioxidants and supporting minerals. Even if we are eating our targeted daily servings of fruits and vegetables, we are not getting the type of health benefit or nutrient density that we were years ago. Supplementation becomes a necessity. Time spent at work is the single largest determinant of how much sleep you get. Sleep is essential for your health. It releases growth hormones, supports proper function and repair of the nervous system, and helps cellular production. RDAs don't adequately take into consideration environmental and lifestyle factors that can destroy vitamins and essential minerals. What about effects of alcohol consumption, food additives, heavy metals, and other environmental hazards known to interfere with nutrient function? Many of the popular brands of supplements have attractive labels full of ingredients but also contain artificial chemical dyes, preservatives, disintegrating agents, bulk fillers such as talc or starch, hydrogenated oil, and chemical coatings. Be sure to read the fine print before purchasing. All supplements are not created equal. The American Heart Association found that B vitamins help protect men from death due to heart failure. 90% of women, 70% of men, and 60% of teens are not consuming the RDA of calcium. More than 50% of postmenopausal women taking medication for osteoporosis have suboptimal levels of vitamin D, and vitamin C supplements reduce cellular DNA damage that is vital in preventing cancers. Changing lifestyle can create changes in our genes in only 3 months, turning on hundreds of genes that prevent disease and turning off genes associated with breast cancer and other cancers. Disease-fighting ingredients include calcium, coenzyme Q10, fish oil, flavonoids, grapeseed extract, and pycnogenol. Widespread deficiency of vitamin D is well documented due to diet and lifestyle factors. With sunscreen use, lack of time outdoors, excess weight, its benefits go beyond the bones. Omega-3 fish oils are important for our heart and our brain. It's especially important for children as it helps their brains grow and their immune systems develop. Our digestive system is where good health and optimal health begins. Supplementation matters. Supplementation provides essential vitamins and minerals needed every day. We understand certain phytonutrients are impractical to obtain from foods. The question is, are you on a health plan or are you planning for your health? Where do you want your health to be? Let's make a change. Do you want to provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally? Do you want to age well, inside and out?
We are all taught that healthy eating and healthy living is simple, right? All you have to do is eat more of the good stuff and less of the bad. But what if the good stuff isn't as good as we think it is? What if the very labels we read and base our purchasing decisions on are not giving us the information we really need? Today's food labels are based on the Recommended Daily Allowance, or RDA for short. RDAs are not meant to provide you with the amount of a nutrient you need to be healthy, but only the minimum amount you need to prevent a deficiency or disease. So even if you eat 100% of the RDA of every single nutrient, there is no guarantee that it will keep you healthy. Keep in mind, there is not a one-size-fits-all formula to your nutritional needs. Individual lifestyle factors including stress, exercise, smoking, dietary choices, medications, sleep, age, and sun exposure can significantly impact your need for particular nutrients. Perhaps this is why so many doctors, nutritionists, and health experts recommend daily supplementation with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and more. Even foods without labels like fruits and vegetables aren't as nutritious as we expect them to be. Scientists have compared the nutritional levels of today's fruits and vegetables with those from 40 years ago and found that today's produce contains up to 59% less nutrients such as iron, zinc, protein, calcium, and vitamin C. This is another reason why so many people are turning to nutritional supplementation. But it's important to realize that not all supplements are created equal. Did you know that many of the most popular vitamins and minerals sold on store shelves today contain artificial binders, fillers, and coatings that make it difficult, sometimes even impossible, for your body to break down the nutrients so you can use them? The Nutrimetrics Isotonics Daily Essentials Kit provides the nutrients you need using our unique, clinically proven Isotonics delivery system. The Isotonics delivery system provides superior absorption by rapidly delivering the nutrients in liquid form, free from binders and fillers, allowing them to be utilized quickly and completely. The Nutrimetrics Daily Essentials Kit includes our 4 cornerstone products: Isotonics Multivitamin, Calcium Complete, Activated B-Complex, and OPC3. Nutrimetrics Multivitamin delivers more than 20 essential nutrients to help meet your basic nutritional needs and to offset the decline of nutrients in our food. Nutrimetrics Calcium Complete, a blend of 5 different forms of calcium, as well as zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and boron, to ensure you have all the essential cofactors to maximize absorption. Most people are aware that calcium is good for the bones, but did you know it's also essential for heart health, hormone production, nerve conduction, healthy teeth, muscle function, and much more? Nutrimetrics Activated B-Complex provides energy and boosts metabolism. The activated forms of select B vitamins mean that they are immediately ready for use by the body, helping to break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into energy to power our body. B vitamins also support immune health, red blood cell formation, decrease stress, and improve mood, along with promoting normal cognitive performance and nerve function. B vitamins are water-soluble, therefore must be replenished daily. They are naturally depleted by lifestyle factors including alcohol consumption, certain prescription medications, stress, and many processed foods. Finally, in our Nutrimetrics Daily Essentials Kit, we have a powerful, clinically studied antioxidant formula known as Nutrimetrics OPC3. OPC3 contains one of the most extensively studied natural ingredients, pycnogenol, as well as grapeseed and grape skin extracts, bilberry, and other bioflavonoids, and works through its synergistic ingredient combination to combat free radicals. Not only are we constantly exposed to free radicals through the air we breathe and the food we eat, they are also naturally generated within our own bodies as a byproduct of metabolism. In addition to its role as a powerful free radical scavenger, Isotonics OPC3 demonstrates anti-inflammatory activity and promotes heart health, skin health, joint health, optimal blood sugar, and immunity. The Nutrimetrics Daily Essentials Kit comes with 90 servings of Isotonics Calcium Complete, Activated B-Complex, Multivitamin, and OPC3 for only $139.95. That's only $1.56 per day for a combination of cutting-edge nutritional formulas backed by the latest science and technology. Plus, you can save 5% by adding to AutoShip. Take control of your health by giving the best to your body. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, you can support your body with the nutrition it needs for optimal health. The Nutrimetrics Daily Essentials Kit is also available in a 1-month supply, with all 4 products in one packet for the on-the-go lifestyle. Just pour it in the right amount of water and drink. Take charge of your wellness with the brand that your health professional trusts to support your health goals. Don't wait. Start today.